Ki samla kan the bat chenrang kilong kemi long kupa kilawan shakmat ha kajing soi pajba ahmad pran menta kasing sajan ban ai kajing kershan ni kasamla bari pengrup kabalam ishakmat ban yala pajba alor kajing non kamno ban penkala ya kabah tungkam tungjam hapo bajalla kine ki samla kilong kemi long kupa kilapen pau bakalade kapor ban penkalano ya kabah tungkam tungjam namar kajing kala jong kapor bat kajing bun breu kaleper bakal bak apden kilai teli ki jai ben reu kata khasi jentia bat ki garo hadu menta katkum ka reservation policy jong ka sarkar baka bahatum kam nakamata ki khasi jentia ka di 100% bat garo ru 100% nakaliang ka samla bari pengrup kapan pau ka jing ai khublei ya baro kito ki balawan bansoi karteng bat ka kermen skam bagane ka jing le bajai jai kan long ka bajob
Are the poor people getting are the ones who really need it?
Ada talk like them.
Kau berit mo.
Kebenkong te khai kani reservation mah si bunangi kasi ngila ya duna kam kejam mah bun si ki bun ki orang ki garo jisa ki garo kimde de ban ngi mah ki ya phere te mni pat banga ben mah si ngi di ban dan kam ban yo khambun ngi ban rumah mi mam ngi ki kasi jentia ki bhoi ki war ngi hab ha jo hi te kemot tam tai thai
kamu ya biang syuk ni kum ka kejing don bre mar kala dakhen kum garo bat kini ki non tribal ne kini ki general tu gila iyo percentage kaba dakhen bat kejing bun bre ka ratio kami hap syuk de kala long duna palat sai si
Tang syu kwa bang dan betalah ni nomor ba ngatip pa nomor ba kat ka reservation polisi garu ba ni ha iskasi ba jentia jumi galong ka long asliang de nama kat kum ka jimbun population ka kambun ani khasi jentia ada sim combine lang compare ba ka population garu tagada pin te nga la su kwa ba kat de galong 50-50 ke kat kum ka jindan ka population tetap dengan air reservation polisi Andrai ada dan tak lihat long agar compare kasih jantia kalau kapasitas kedua bagi berumah compare kasih jantia pada ngila ban pihak tak reservation polisi mar 50-50 karo kisi dan jantia kembijibun beriau pada population
Kawi ba ni kum khati ma kumbar ni benapa 100% kadi kigaru de kami hap mai kata de ngipat ni kata kan kawi ba ni kok macam
Alnya juga ada kerteng jadi passport lah dia. Aku beli jadi ikong bari grup deh. Dengan aku beli ki kamu ya ki perlu ngan lian juga keluar ban kencan jadi ikong
kong
kayak hap ni.
Jadi ke Bafinium, banyak tingginya tinggi kayak kejingnya terlihat. Jadi tang kata he in kiti kai ke babaha mungkin dan kat kini bat semua
Siang mo. Kailangan mo kami sa kusnon mo. So ba, di ba kamay na ka? Ang makan yung yang kan senang kan yang yabyang. Ya yang likely di main tribe ng jela. Ang tahi. Dan orang bertempat yang sorkar ban relook dan yang ka state civil police section nang bagan ke justice yang likely main tribe ng jela.
Si kata tajin baklasa ko ndai jong kipat ba ndai jong ka reservation policy ka mindset jong ki kalong bet garo khasi jaintia. What is the meaning of that? Reservation ka jingmut jong kata ka mut ban reserve yang gitu ki badai hok mano menta badai hok ndai gitu nanong kendong ndai gitu ki ngin reserve kanang ki backward section mano badai backward tu nanong kendong tu pamla pa school ki kami pa baduk wala da dena garo ru itu ki garo nanong kendong hato ki yo ne am ya kan ne ka reservation ibu bet kita ka percentage. Okay, percentage is one big factor but it's just a small part of it kam dai whole thing ki namar phinong bet ya ka percentage khasi jaintia hajo. What is the meaning of that? Kumno pad ka khasi jaintia everywhere it's different, VC different, everything different. Comes to reservation pat kajo. What is the meaning of that? It will open a whole new communalism problem here. So secondly, reservation policy kakta kumno ngidi ban kali haka terms of education kan. Daman tangin kerana ka quota system. Daman ta ka quota system there's no planning. Pishong bit 40% garo. Kamut view kata kamman jingmut. They suppose kane kan new revise shubo kan kajing opinion jungi kan diba da revise pa dia ka reservation policy ninbo da ka target kan cut off marks kito bayo 50 kito kan yo ya kan yo banlong eligible ya ka quota kito ba mid 50 kimlong whether you're a khasi janja garo they ban meet ka to 50 because what happens is phi dan ya ka reservation fine phishim ya ka to ka quota jong sarkar phi drop no shiteng Hidram naman pimla ko babya ka studies. Waste mano kata. Waste re kari baro ko waste ka productivity jong kari. How to we kanapat udan ability ban yo ya to kota ula ban pedkio ka state. Da yo utu kana engineer ya ka to ka kota education system. La don rai highlight li ki technical industry sini. Pawiru industry dan balai naman kito ki ba deserve kim yo. Balai kim yo because this very outdated reservation policy showing but percentage khasi jaintia garo should divide ya community. What is the meaning of that? Secondly, ki jobs kan reservation pitip ya kata dan haki jobs ru da hakum haki grade D grade C ai bakan sakut kum to ba to 40% garo is fine kum ya ki grade A ka bakta sha ya kalawai jungi ya ki engineers ki scientists ki technical background mo ya ki to ai open reservation kan khasi jaintia garo 80% bet ai bakan ya khon para mangi. That's a very healthy competition because why for the quality of the state show met 40% garo te utu ubam laban ko ab ya katu ka job shubo lat kam ya ka engineering ba pihak lead ya katu ka department shubo. You cannot cope with the job. You are lagging. You are dragging the state down. Ka productivity ka lakhya. Kan mo ki engineers bon na do mane ki shutre bella ki wan swigi bapli ki la do bella swigi play shibon ba pihak support pi la do kat ya kan ka opportunity ban kamai. Ndai imagine utu kana nong kendong ba deserve ya ka reservation make pa kim la pa school ndai udan ka ability ban kio ya kali how to reservation kam belong mo yaki ndai kani ka reservation policy is so communal. What is the meaning of garo khasi jantiano? Percentage is one big factor because population ever increasing ka change san pausenem menchwa ka ya kam ka ka reservation policy ngas tu it's time to evolve pimla phi ban shom khasi janja garo. What about those garo in the Garo Hills, those who are from the rural area? Are you getting the job? Ngami kata, to be very honest, ki Garo ru ang 40%. But what 40%? Do you have a target area? Let's forget about Khasi Jaintia. Let's talk because the Garo thinks that I'm against you. Let's talk about Garo. You just say 40% Garo. You don't have a specific target. So now, if we talk about quota, you just say 40% Garo. Anyone can get. What about those poor Garo who cannot afford to pay for the education? And what about these a bit very developed kindiat balak kam kyo ki garo kitu kilala em ban support hi kum nga ngalala ban support hi ngam tu eka reservation ndai because it's not equally distributed nga kum tu na reservation jong tu nang kundang pamla si siya ban support yala di how is that fair. Let's look at it from because reservation means ban board reservation na ban takim socially, politically and financially backward can. So manu kita ngidi ban aim in that way, not in a community wise. That doesn't work anymore. Even if you're from Garo, if you are from a rural population but you're not getting the job, why? Because there's no specific targets.